Not yet.
Very good.
Yeah, it's...
Oh, maybe she wants to eating just like mommy eat now.
Not finished yet, baby.
Maybe.
You can give her one.
Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Cooking with Daisy. Today I want to make a marshmallow pop. Okay, first one we have marshmallow, and second one this is sprinkles, and next one rainbow choco rice, and next one a white choco bar,
And the last?
Choco rice. The first step I will milk the white choco bar, not this. Choco bar is a white, mommy.
Okay. Put it into the steamer.
Choco.
Slowly.
Oh! Hey! Why you don't want to? I will use hand. Maybe this is look like angry. Hey, Don! It's hot. Don! Oh! But it's too slow to melt it. And so I put it in the marshmallow first. And stop it. Mommy, how is it?
Dasha.
Okay, don't. I will put it on in here. Melt it. Mommy, melting. The next step, I will dip the marshmallow to the chocolate bar. And so I put it in the sprinkles. Hi, sprinkles, what are you doing? Oh, it's can, mommy. I will do it one by one. It's done. Hey, what are you doing? Stop, Dasha.
Maybe next you can try the choco rice. Yeah.
Maybe this is, I like it this one. Yeah, it's done.
Not yet.
Very good.
Yeah, it's...
Oh, maybe she wants to eating just like mommy eat now.
Not finished yet, baby.
Maybe.
You can give her one. Wow!
And so this is my marshmallow. Pretty, right?
Sure, it's so pretty.
That's all, friends. How to make marshmallow pops. You can try it by yourself at home. Wassalamualaikum.